Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a fraction word problem. Let us do it together. It says that find a number which is such that 2 out of 3 of it is 12 less than the number. Here, we need the number which we don't know. Let the number equal to x. Now let's make our equation. They say 2 over 3 of the number which we let as x. This is equal to x less the number by 12. Let us solve the equation and get the number. 2 over 3 of x. This is equal to x minus 12. Let's multiply by 3 throughout. We are going to have 2 over 3x multiplied by 3. This is equal to, in the bracket, x minus 12 multiplied by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, we get 1. 2x. This is equal to 3 in the bracket, x minus 12. 2x is equal to 3 multiplied by x, we got 3x, minus 3 multiplied by 12, we got 36. Bring 36 to the right hand side and 2x to the left hand side. We have 36. This is equal to 3x minus 2x. We got 36. This is equal to x. So our number is equal to 36. Let us prove if 2 out of 3 of the number which is 36, this is equal to 36 minus 12. 2 over 3 multiplied by x, which is 36. Is this equal to 36 minus 12? By 3, we get 1. By 3, we get 12. 2 multiplied by 12, we get 24, which this is equal to 36 minus 12, which we get 24. So, definitely, the number is 36. So, our number is equal to 36. Our number is 36. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.